Mic check, because it's easy like Sunday morning, or it's about to be Monday morning, I guess, so. Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy, aDudemanbro, and I hope you all are having a fantastic Sunday, I guess, since we still have a few more minutes on the clock. Sorry this video is so late. Once again, I know I mentioned it on my last video, but time got ahead of me, or time got out of control, so I'm bringing it to you now. I hope you guys forgive me. But anyway, I want to say thank you so much. I forgot to say it in my last video. We broke 4K subscribers. Thank you so much, everybody, for the new subscribers and everyone that's been there since day one, 1K, whatever. I really appreciate it so much. I said it in another video before, the channel's been kind of blowing up a lot faster than what I thought it was going to, and just the appreciation and the love that you guys been showing me, I'm blown away, and I'm ecstatic and can't wait to see what 2021 is gonna give to us. So, but anyway, this is going to be this week's picks for, next week, basically, or starting today now. And we got, I think, a heck of a stock market ahead of us. I hope it's not going to be as rocky as it was last week. So I got a few different plays that we could possibly go into that I was looking at last week. There was a lot of consolidation going on with a few different plays, a few that I have still in, and just wanted to give you guys an update on. So if you guys like these videos, if you guys like my face, or if you guys like, any of my intros or whatnot, you think I'm a little bit funny, I guess, that much, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you want to hit that sub button, I promise you can always take it back later. So, but let's jump into Webull here. So Webull wouldn't be a stock video without talking about Mara, RIOT, and EBON. For anybody that still asks, I'm still holding EBON. I've been adding to my position. Still think that it's being heavily shorted, with Bitcoin kind of leveling out right now. I said it in my last weekly stock video that I think that with the stimulus check, if we do receive it and whatnot, I think we're going to be seeing a lot more people who are going to be going into Bitcoin or investing into Bitcoin, and I think that we're going to see a leg up going into 2021, which is going to be very bullish for these three stocks, and that is why I put them on this video, because as of earlier, we were at over 19,000 again for Bitcoin, and if we continue to hold that 19,000, and actually we would love to see about 20,000 and hold that consolidation, and I could see a leg up and possibly hitting, because there have been outrageous price targets for Bitcoin. If you've been watching Bitcoin within the last couple of years or whatnot, I think they're saying 25 to 50,000 by 2024 or something like that. So with that being said, I would full on believe that these stocks would basically double too, with Bitcoin doubling. So, but with that being said, I want to bring up a few EV plays, just in case. We've seen a lot of consolidation and buying going on. I think that these are very good spots to add. Definitely set your stop losses, because we could see that reversal on the trends and the reversal switch in what sector is going to be hot. I think, like I said in a last video, I think we might be either on a biotech or a SPAC reversal here again, because we've been seeing a lot of SPACs go crazy, and Slash, as you guys probably noticed from the market, there were some cancer stocks that went up 400%, and we've seen some crazy biotechs that were going insane. But these are 5 that I want to bring up that are EV type of plays. First one I want to bring is SPI. This one has been one that I've traded. I've swung it multiple times. One was one of the first ones to really shoot up and go crazy. I believe it touched about 20 something dollars the first time it went up. I love SPI under $8. Chart is looking fantastic. And on top of that, the buying that went on Friday and last week were amazing. I think that this one's going to see an easy $10 to $12 push going into next week and going into actually 2021, with where we're going to see EVs back again. I've said in another video before, if we do have Biden coming into presidency, he has a lot of renewable energy plans that he's going to be doing, and these companies are going to be going huge based off all that information. Sunworks, we talked about Sunworks too, but look at this chart. You know, we were definitely a part of last week where we were oversold, and look at the buying going on Friday. I think that a lot of people are anticipating that EVs go crazy again. I think under $5 for Sunworks. I want to mention about 4 other stocks that I'm still bullish on them. They're still on my watch list. I just don't want to put so many stock tickers on this video that really confuses a lot of people. Pola, DPW, BVPR, and Solo. Those are 4 that I'm very bullish on too. I would say watch them for sympathy plays. Sympathy plays haven't been running as crazy, but one thing that you guys do have to remember, get into a very good system of seeing what runs with another stock. This is a very good way of being able to pick up on what stocks are trading in an easy 20 to 30% day trade. So Sunworks will sometimes run with PEC and then also Pola, but there's also at the same time they are EV plays, so watch the whole EV sector. SPI likes to run with PPSI also, but get into a good understanding of what runs with what, because you can easily make 15 to, like I said, 30% on a day trade or a swing trade. If you see one stock being loaded up on, you can easily pick that one up and just sell for 20-30%. Don't get greedy about the sympathy plays. So next one I want to talk about FSR, and that is Fisker. This is a play that I've talked about in the past. Before it became Fisker, it was SPAQ. I'll put that in the description below so you guys can check out that video with more DD. This stock got some more good price target action. They actually got upgraded to $22 to $26. A few analysts put it up there. Definitely bullish on it. I think that at under $15, I definitely picked up a good starter position. I think that is a very good stock to get into. I think that we are going to be seeing $18 to $20 here very soon. It might not be till 2021 when the EV starts to move, but I think that it's a solid pick and it's undervalued at the moment. Next one I want to talk about in the same sector, kind of, it's not an EV play. A lot of people call this an EV play, but is KXIN, and this moves with EV plays. You know, when I bought in, which was I believe last week, it was at oversold. I loved it under $4 is where I got in it. And I mean, this one has ran $5 plus before, and even further than that. So I like the chart a lot where it's at right now. We're at the almost oversold part of this chart, and I want to say KXIN. I think this is a good swing trade. I'm going to be shooting at $4.50 to $5 on this one. I think under $5 or under $4 I think is an awesome pickup. So next one I want to talk about is a swing that I talked about in the past, and I am so happy about this one. SAVA. I told you guys that this one is a solid pick. It's going to be over $10 here very soon. They did an offering. I'm going to put that in the description below to that video. I am so happy about this chart. It looks like we're breaking that consolidation, and I think it hit about $8.50 at its highest on Friday. Super happy. It was at almost $14 before. I just wanted to give you guys an update on this one. We were able to get under $8 at, I believe, $7.20. I was able to get most of my shares in. Still looking for $10 plus on this one. So next one I want to talk about is USEG, and this is an oil play, and this one's been beaten down like all heck. I think that it is a good position under $4, and I've been kind of picking up a little bit of here and there starter positions and swinging for over $4. I've done it twice last week. I held for a day and was able to make about 50 cents each. I think that this is a positive one that we could easily see it breaking $5 if oil actually starts to go up a little bit. I did look at the futures, and oil is up, and if we do see a little bit of a positive price action and some other oil plays go up, I can easily see USEG right now where it sits is definitely undervalued. So the next 5 I want to talk about are not penny stocks. I kind of like to throw these ones in the air though to too at the very end, just to let you guys know that there are other stocks. I wish I wish it was 48 hours in a day. I wish, but because then I could do another video with my non-penny stock related stocks. But these are 5 that I am very bullish on that are not penny related. The first 4 are going to be acquisition / merger plays. And the last one's going to be kind of a treat that I've been looking at and adding, and I think that it is definitely going to be seeing a reversal here very soon. So, first one I want to talk about is IPOC. This is a healthcare Clover merger acquisition. I may be putting the video where I cover it in the description below also. I think that we've seen so much buying going on last week. I think that this one is going to be a no-brainer. It's going to be going into an uptrend. I think that this one's going to be an easy $14 to $15 here very soon, if not even more. There's a whole lot of people on it too, finally, and that's really good for us, honestly, because where I covered it, it was under $10, and we're already up $1 on it. A lot of people have actually been joking with me too, and it's kind of funny that sometimes I get into stocks a little bit too early. I'm one of the first YouTubers who actually mention a stock. I've been getting that comment a lot, actually. That seems to be the story of my life. You know, what is the saying? A day late and $1 short, but I'm a little bit way too early, I guess. It's the opposite of what that would be. A day early and $1 richer? I don't know if that makes any sense, but okay, no, enough rambling. But so this one's finally getting picked up by a lot of people, and with that going on, guys, that is what we want to do in the stock market. Get in before everyone else. And so with that FOMO, I can hesitate you guys, don't hold too late. Don't think this is going to make 100 to 200%er. It might, but take those gains going up, because you never know if this is going to make a reversal or if we might get some bad news and it takes a nosedive. Trust me with this one, we want to get in before and sell when people are FOMOing it and when people are buying the crap out of it when it's already overpriced. So next one I want to talk about is kind of its brother, IPOB. You know, this is another one that I think that we've seen so much buying going on last week. The chart is just, I think it's looking like it's ready for a huge move here soon. Probably 30 plus here very soon, I'm thinking. So if you can get in at 25 or whatever, it's going to be an easy $5 gain. PIC, you know, I don't really have to say it. You know, I talked about it so many times in the past, but this one's going to be on my watch list because also at the same time as IPOC, people are finally getting into it and people are finally starting to recognize it and see it. Other YouTubers are talking about it. So guys, get in there, sell before everybody is starting to freak out and FOMO. Last 2 I want to talk about are brand new plays. I am super happy with GHIV. This one's been on my radar. I would love to have done its own video. I think it definitely deserves its own video, but there's a lot of things behind this stock. They're a wholesaler of mortgages. Where they're at right now, I think that this stock should be a $15 plus stock. With the reverse merger, they're going to be doing a 40-cent dividend. They're also, their valuation based off of the amount of shares that they're selling to the evaluation of their company is definitely under where it's at right now. Definitely sitting at like $11 or $10 if you're lucky to get in at under $10. The chart is looking fantastic. It's looking like we are going to continue to see that uptrend. So I would get on this one ASAP. You know, I think that we're easily going to see a $15 or $14 a plus on this one. And once we start seeing more and more people pick it up and catch it, this one I'm kind of later too. So this one will be one that I will have to say, hey, I'm really the first one to put it out there. It was on my watch list though. And sometimes I kick myself in the butt for not bringing out videos sooner because now this does put me behind everyone else. All I gotta say is I would watch out for this one. Look at the price action, look at the volume, most importantly too on this one. If the volume starts coming in, get in. You can make an easy, I think, $3 to $4 on this one. Alright, so next one I want to talk about is JAMF, and this is one that I think everyone should put on their watch list for the future. So this one got beat down a little bit, you know, a few dollars because of a follow-up offering that they did. I think this scared away a lot of the shareholders who were in it at the very beginning, but it wasn't a traditional offering. It was a offering of shares that a big investor at the very beginning wanted to get rid of. But I think this is a big reason why that there was a lot of sell-off. The big thing though is there was no dilution in the shares. That is one of the most important things about an offering and why it's very important to read an offering. So that means that, you know, it should be up there for where it's been at, in my personal opinion. And we finally started seeing a little bit of an uptrend here last week. I think the chart is ready to go. It's ready to go 35 to 38 plus here. I don't think this is going to be a huge like 40 plus stock here, but I think it has an easy $3 to $5 per share gains. One of the negative things I do want to say is they aren't making a profit as of yet, so that's definitely a big negative. They are paying off debt. I did look up their numbers, and I do recommend that you guys go to their website and look at their earnings report, the last earnings report, and their investor presentation. Those are very big things to look at and to read up on. Very last one I want to talk about is Smith & Wesson, and this is a big one. I think they have been killing earnings. I'm not sure if any of you guys are gun enthusiasts, but very hard to find ammo. If you do go to a store or whatnot, it's almost impossible to find, and there's scalpers and people who are selling for outrageous prices online. There's a lot of whispering and news coverage about it almost happens every single time a Democrat is possibly may go into a presidency, is they're looking to get rid of some different types of guns or magazines and whatnot, which, you know, I'm not going to talk about that at all, but this is, I'm just talking about what they could mean for the stock. So if that happens, I think there's going to be loads of people going out and buying even more guns, even more than it is right now. And what that means for Smith & Wesson is even more cash moolah. I think that we're going to be seeing an almost $20 plus for Smith & Wesson. I think that we are definitely undervalued at the moment. I've been picking up shares under $15. It dropped to under $15 a few times already. I've been loading up and waiting because I think after the first of the year, we're going to really see Smith & Wesson go crazy here. So, but anyway, that's the video. I know it's a super long one. Thank you so much for, you know, listening and paying attention throughout the whole video. I do really appreciate it. Go ahead and leave a comment and like the video. Share it if you find it humorous or awesome. Go ahead and leave what you think or what you like about the video and / what you're looking at for next week for stock wise. I'd love to read your guys' comments and see what you guys are looking at and researching for next week. Also gives me some video ideas because you guys like to hear my opinions of some stocks, and that's really cool. I love to see this you know, back and forth a little bit of communication between me and, you know, the community, you guys, because you guys are why I'm here. You guys are why I'm doing this. Yeah, I'd just be talking to myself if you guys weren't there. So, but anyway, that's the video. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you want to follow me on any social media, I have my Instagram, Twitter, and Patreon in the description below. Also, if you want to try out any of the platforms that I also use, I have my Robinhood and my Webull links in the description below. Any one of those, if you sign up with my link, you'll get a free stock, and so will I. And all that money goes right directly back into the... but anyway, that's the video. I hope we're going to kill it tomorrow. I'm here with you guys, talking to you guys, you know, 4,000 of you guys. So I am beyond ecstatic and beyond happy. I know I'm not showing it probably because it is 12:30 at night, and I do have about 3-4 hours left of editing / different YouTube stuff. So that's probably why I'm not so crazy right now. But anyway, you guys take care, stay classy, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, y'all.